In this video, I'll show you how to split a transaction in QuickBooks Online so you can categorize one payment into multiple expense or income categories and keep your records accurate. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account and opening the Banking section from the left-hand menu. Go to the For Review tab where you'll see your downloaded transactions. Find the transaction you want to split and click on it to expand the details. With the transaction open, select the option to categorize it and choose Split instead of assigning a single category. This opens a split view where you can divide the transaction into multiple lines. On each line, enter a category, description if needed, and the amount you want to assign. Make sure the total of all split amounts matches the original transaction amount shown at the top. After entering all the split details, review everything carefully to confirm it's correct. Then click Add to save the split transaction. QuickBooks will record each portion under its assigned category while keeping it linked to the original bank entry. Once saved, you can review the categorized transaction in your banking history or reports to make sure it appears as expected. Splitting transactions like this helps you track expenses more precisely and keeps your financial reports organized. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the description for more QuickBooks guides.